So hello guys, this is the another day and another video of my English speaking practice. Yes, I am ready to go to the court because I am a lawyer. This is why I practice daily so that I can enhance my fluency, so that I can argue and defend my client in the court. This is why I am learning and focusing on English fluency, spoken English. You know what? Why? Because I am from the Hindi background. This is why English is most important to learn in this profession, especially because there is no way to argue in Hindi to make impact in the court. This is why to make an impact and get relief quickly, you have to argue in the English. This is why I am learning English. There is no another reason because I have choose this profession. This is why I have chose to become fluent as well. There is no other reason. And most of the people, on YouTube ask me why you are so motivated. I am not motivated. I am just, curious and I am hunger to get successful in my life, to build my career by my own, because there is no backbone of mine. Backbone means there is no support from my back so that I can depend on them. There is no one. I am the only one who have to build career by my own. Anyhow, there is no responsible for that. I am the one. Okay, so it is all about now, and I am just about to leave to the Saket court because I practice in Delhi as an advocate, especially in litigation. Because if you know, in litigation, no one gonna pay you if there is no support you have. Because I am first generation lawyer, and in this profession, there is no senior who gonna pay you in initial years, and I am in my initial years, and I am not, I am struggling to learn, struggling to make money. Yes, this is what I am just facing in my initial years. I am just sharing to you, but yes, somehow because I have chose this profession, I am working hard, and I don't feel like I am working hard. I feel like, okay, I am playing a game in which I feel stressed, sometimes I feel relaxed, sometimes I feel motivated, sometimes I feel like depressed as well, because this is a game for me, and I'm so happy to be in this profession. So it's all about till now, and I will see you at the Saket court. Bye. Catch you later. There is some noise behind my hall because there is another room besides mine, and somebody is just knocking the ball by hammer or something. I don't know exactly. So bye, it is all about till now, and let's see you, catch you at the Sakit court. Hello guys, I am feeling so tired right now, but still I am making this video because I don't want to make any excuse for my English speaking practice. This is why I am making this video, so that I can gain fluency, because this is my task, or this is somehow my goal to complete within a day. Even I am making this video. If I talk about the time is about to 1 a.m. at night. Yes, because always and most of the time I make video at night, because at night I feel like I have time, so let's create it. Before sleeping, I thought, okay, I have to complete my task of the day, that is English speaking practice. Because earlier in the morning I was getting ready when I was trying to, or yes, I shot a video, a clip, I can say, and I was promising in that video or in that clip that I will catch you at the Saket court, but somehow I didn't create any video at the Saket court. But because of I didn't have time, this is why I didn't create any clip over there. and at the Saket court I can say. But let's talk about today what I did in the Saket court. In the Saket court there was no matter listed for the day. When I reached at the Saket court, I have to collect the certified copy. So I went to the certified agency of family court, and then I reached at the copy agency and I met with the madam and I saw the receipt, and he was saying that there is you know sign mismatching in your file. This is why I can't provide you the file, or I can't provide you the certified copies. And then I looked at the file and I saw that yes, there is something sign mismatching. So I called my senior because he signed in the Wakalatnama, but I forgot to sign at the Wakalatnama. With information was also mentioned in the Wakalatnama, but that was not sufficient. She was asking me to get sign of my senior, so I called my senior, and he, you know, came to the copy agency and gave the sign on the receipt, or on the I can see the certified copy. And then he was saying that within 1 or half hour come to the certified agency and collect your certified copy. But somehow I was working or I was doing something. This is why I didn't go to the copy agency again. Instead of going today, I will collect those certified copy on Monday, because it's Sunday tomorrow. I am making this video. It's Saturday today and it's Sunday tomorrow. This is why it's holiday. So I have to collect the certified copy on Monday. Being a lawyer, this is my duty to file an second motion within a time, because I have to file a quashing petition as well. There is a matter listed in the section of 498A. This is why party want to quash their FIR, because parties are living separately since 2019. This is why it is necessary, without having divorce, without taking divorce, they are living separately, mutually. But we can't approach to the court, approach to the apex court, that is Supreme Court. Apex court means a Supreme Court. We can't approach the High Court for quashing the FIR unless or until he didn't take the divorce. This is why we are seeking mutual divorce, and first motion has been completed. This is why I have applied the certified copies of first motion so that I can attach to the second motion. And then after completion of the second motion, we will have the divorce decree, and after having divorce decree, we will definitely go to High Court for quashing that FIR. And after getting the order of quashing the FIR, we will file in the DB matter, and then all of those matter will be closed. And this is the kind of we can say the connectivity, and this all the hurdles will be closed against our clients, because our clients, first one is, if I talk about the husband resides at Mathura in UP. And if I talk about the girls, I should not say girl, I should say lady who is living separately since 2019 in Haryana, Gurgaon, Haryana. So it's not easy to come each and every date in Delhi. This is why it is necessary to close all the cases, because his father approached me, lady father approached me to engage in that matters. This is why I am engaging in these matters. And I am not, getting so much amount being a lawyer, because being a lawyer, this is my duty to get paid for my work, because what I have to get paid, I have my service so that I can provide and we will get paid. But somehow, I have to work for free as well, because this is a kind of free I am engaging in this matter. You know what the reason is? The reason is simple, because if I talk about the lady's father is friend of my cousin brother. Are you getting? The lady's father is my cousin brother's friends. This is why I am engaging on behalf of my cousin brother's friends. Okay, so this is what I did today, and then I went to the 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 gym, and after doing exercise, I was feeling so hot today. Yes, literally, I was feeling so hot today, and I was totally sweaty at the gym, even though there was fan running and there was AC running, but still I was feeling sweaty, and I were all sweaty at the gym when I was doing exercise. And then after came to my room, I feel like okay, I am so sweaty. I was feeling when I was at my room, I was feeling like okay, I am sweaty. So I went to get a bath, and after taking bath, I feel relaxed. Then I boiled 6 eggs and I have it as my post meal, and then I prepared dinner for me. After having dinner, I am watching video on Instagram and YouTube as well, and wasting my times. And I was playing right now the game COD, that is COD. And now I was thinking like okay, it's time to sleep. But before sleeping, I have to complete the task of the day, that is speaking in English, because this is the another reason why I am so consistent, because of making video is most important for me. This is the another reason for consistency of mine on English speaking journey, because I know I have to make a video so that I can practice. So this is the another reason. Okay, and when I was preparing my dinner or cooking my dinner, I was totally sweaty after taking bath. Yes, after taking bath, I went to my kitchen and I was preparing for my dinner and cooking my dinner. And then I see outside there is raining happening, and inside I was totally sweaty. My face was totally sweaty, and my I was totally wet of sweat when I was in the kitchen. And when I came out from my kitchen and I saw that there is raining happening, but after that time I have my dinner, and then I am about to go to sleep. Bye. Catch you tomorrow. Bye.